If you want to learn Quran to your children, to your brother and sister, this video is for you. No matter you are in the UK, in the US or other English countries. Assalamu Alaikum. Welcome to Sahib Quran Academy. My name is Sahib and I am 16 years of education from university and also graduated from a religious school with Hafiz-e-Quran and expertise in Tajweed al-Quran. Many of you people think that Quran just a piece of book. That is not a piece of book. That is a complete code of life. That is revealed from Allah Almighty to last Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and for the guidance of the entire humanity, for the wisdom, for their right way. And learning Quran will be understanding our Islam. Better understanding of Islam is from the Holy Quran, and strong connectivity with Allah Almighty and will be strengthen our faith. That is why I'm saying that Quran learning is very important in this era, and especially for the Muslim communities and for the young generation to learn Quran and to start from the basic to advanced level. And many people says that Quran is very difficult, but I think Quran is very easier than other books. So start with a few words in every day and then a few words every day. That is not necessary that you start with a whole chapter. And gradually you will improve your learning, and one day you will be a better reciter of the Holy Quran. For this purpose, Quran, Sahib Quran Academy is for you people. There is a great opportunity for you people to learn Quran in contact with Sahib Quran Academy. And we also offer one-on-one session. No matter you are anywhere in the world, you can contact with my team. And we have many courses are available: Noorani Qaida, recitation, Hifz-e-Quran and translation. So there is a great opportunity for you people and also for ours, because Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, says that خيركم من تعلم القرآن وعلم. That better person of you people as that they understand the Holy Quran and then teach to others. So there is great responsibility and there is great achievement not only for you people but also for ours. So that is why we are available every time for you people, for your children, for your brother and for your sister to understand Quran and to achieve that great achievement that is not better in this world but also very important for hereafter. Thank you for watching this video. If you really found this video, so please subscribe our channel.